उत्तर गोंयांत आशिल्ल्या नामनेचे मोरजे दर्यादेगेर सैमोगी आनी पर्यटकांनी गंभीर हुस्को उक्तायला। ह्या वाठारांत आशिल्लीं कांय हॉटेलां घाणयाऱ्या उदक थेट दर्यांत सोडटात असो आरोप समाज वावुरप्यांनी केला। ह्या घाणयाऱ्या उदकाक लागून ऑलिव्ह रिडली कांसवाच्या प्रजातीचेर व्हड परिणाम जावपाक लागला। तशेंच व्हडा प्रमाणात ध्वनी प्रदूषण आनी रोशनाई लागून कांसव दर्यादेगेर येनात अशें सैमोगीचें म्हणणें। देखून संबंधीत खात्यान ह्या प्रकारांत दखल घेवन हो प्रश्न बेगोबेग सुटावो करचो अशी मागणी सैमोगींनी केला।
Drain away sewage, and this obviously, as you all would have noticed, is within the no development zone of Morjim beach, which per the CRZ regulations is classified as an eco-sensitive area where no construction whatsoever and no development activity can be permitted in terms of law. So this is outrageous because it means that the government, which is supposed to enforce the law, is turning a blind eye towards all these things.
My only humble request is that our public representatives actually take their role seriously. If we have to constantly fight for stuff like this, how are they representing us?
आम्ही आता 2-3 वर्षापासून पळयले आसतले की there have been lot of firecrackers, loud music, flashy lights which have been displayed. आता 2 महिने झाले टर्टल नेस्टिंगाचे ऑलरेडी सीजन चालू जाला, एक पासून टर्टल येवंक ना वागातोर बिचार। तेच तर पळोवंक जाल्यार ऑलमोस्ट लायक 12 ते 15 लास्ट इयर टर्टल्स येयलेले, बट वागातोर बिचार पळोवंक जाल्यार एकूय आतां पासून एकूय टर्टल येवंक ना। सो दीस इज व्हेरी सॅड फॉर अस, लायक वॉट टू से, लायक आमचे गव्हर्मेंट आतां लेटरी करता ह्या डिपार्टमेंटाक त्या डिपार्टमेंटाक, बट ग्राउंड रियलिटी अजून पासून एक पासून बेसिक तेंच्यांनी कांय वर्क करूंक ना।
Beach is dirty. The fact that if you take a walk onto the shore, you will see that there are beach beds. As you can hear the noise right now. If you come here during the night time, there are like very bright lights. I work with conservation, I work with the State Biodiversity Board, and I can personally tell you from meetings that we have had together with the forest departments and other stakeholders like the tourism department and everything, all of these meetings appear to be futile. Simply because post the meetings, when discussions are held, wherein the tourism department on several occasions says, we are unaware of what is required by this particular endangered scheduled animal. So please tell us, because of your expertise, what we need to do. So then when suggestions are made that the beach needs to be clean, beach beds cannot be right down the beach, then it hampers the turtle from coming up. Bright lights will deter the females from nesting. When the hatchlings come out, they themselves get completely disoriented because of all different places where the lights are. Then they walk into parking lots. All these kind of things are very well understood. That these are the things that are not supposed to be done. These are the things that are not required on a place which is a very sensitive ecosystem, which is then once again the place where the turtle is coming up to nest. Now the turtle, considering the turtle to be a flagship species, everything else by virtue of protecting the turtle nesting site also gets its protection. I am not at this point even going into the tourism aspect at all, which is then once again going to adversely affect the tourism industry.